Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine, right, students? So, I welcome you all in your science class. So, children, today we are going to do revision 2 for post midterm exams. Okay, so, children, here today we are going to recapitulate the chapter again and we'll revise all the book exercise, and then I will give you a assignment, okay, that you have to do in your notebook. Okay, and as you all know that our post midterm exam is of 20 marks, yes, and the questions that will come in your exam is based on MCQs, that is multiple choice questions. Okay, and this is totally objective exam. You have to only tick the correct option. Okay, and you have to give this exam on school app. Yes, and one more thing, that is you have to you will get only 1 hour to do the paper. Okay, and after the submission you are not allowed to reattempt it. Okay, once you submit it, the paper is submitted, you can't do it again. So be careful before pressing the submit button. If you want to check all the question and answers, kindly recheck and then press the submit button. Okay, children, because most of the times you do the mistake of submitting one question only. You thought that one question, each and every question we have to submit, but it's not like that. You have to attempt the whole paper, and after doing the whole paper you have to click on submit button. Clear, students? So be careful while doing it. Okay, and only 2 chapters are coming in your post midterm exams, that is chapter number 9 and chapter number 10. Chapter number 9 we have revised yesterday also, and even we have done revision exercise 1 yesterday. Yes, today we are going to continue. Okay, and we'll do revision exercise 2 after doing quick recap of textbook exercises. Okay, so let's start our today's class. So children, as you all know that the eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are the sense organs through which we know about the world around us. Yes, and after that we come to know that a group of organs in the body, when they work together to do an important job, is known as an organ system, right? And the main organ systems are the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the respiratory system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, the reproductive system and the nervous system. Okay, now the next thing is about the details of these systems. The skeletal system gives shape to our body and it protects the internal organs, because internal organs are really very delicate. है ना, हमारे internal organs like heart, lungs, kidney, these all are really very delicate, है ना, बहुत नाजुक होते हैं और वो ख़राब हो जाते, टूट जाते, उनको डैमेज हो सकता था अगर if there is no skeleton over our body. Yes, so it also helps in the movement. Okay, and after that we have studied about the muscular system. What happened to the muscular system? The muscular system helps us in moving our body parts, because without muscular system our skeletal system is of no use. Okay, because without the help of muscles we are not able to move our body parts, right? And then we study about digestive system. As I already told you that digestive system is really very helpful, because whatever we eat we need to digest it. Yes, so in that digestive system, the digestive system helps us. Yes, and respiratory system is also a very important system in our body, as it helps us in taking oxygen and breathing out carbon dioxide. Yes, and that is, you all know that breathing is very important for our life. Yes. Our next system is circulatory system. Circulatory system helps us to carry blood to all parts of the body, right? And next is our excretory system. Excretory system helps in throwing out waste from the body, right? It helps us in throwing out waste from our body like sweat. Skin helps us in removing sweat, and our lungs helps us in throwing out the gas called carbon dioxide when we breathe out. So in this way, excretory system helps in throwing out waste material from the body. Yes, and reproductive system helps in producing babies. If there is no reproductive system in our body, then we are unable to produce our babies. Yes, and next is nervous system. Nervous system is the main system of the whole body. It controls all other parts of the body. Without the instructions of nervous system, our body will not work. Yes, because our brain gives instructions to the body parts, and then the body parts will work. Okay, so children, this was all about the chapter number 9, that is our human body. Okay, now let's continue by doing our textbook exercise. Turn to page number 66. Okay, so here is our page number 66. Which of these is a sense organ? So eye, ear, tongue, or all of these? So definitely all of these are sense organs. Yes. Now next question is, which of these organ systems protects the soft organs of the body? So soft organs को कौन बचाता है? Digestive system, muscular system, skeletal system or respiratory system? Of course, a skeletal system. Yes, without the help of a skeleton, we are unable to protect the soft organs of the body, that is internal organs of the body, right? Now, which of these is a function of the respiratory system? Moving a body part, giving shape to the body, taking in oxygen or producing babies. When we talk about respiratory system, we are already aware that we are talking about taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So that means that taking in oxygen, that is option C, is correct. Now next is, which of these materials is carried through the human body? इनमें से कौन सा मटीरियल है जो कि ह्यूमन बॉडी कैरी करती है? ऑक्सीजन, डाइजेस्टेड फूड और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. So if we see in different aspects, oxygen and digestive food and carbon dioxide, all these things are carried by the human body. Yes, so all of these is the correct answer. Next is, which of these organs controls all the systems in the body? Heart, kidney, brain or lung? So brain is the correct answer. Yes. Now see the next question, that is, match the words in the two columns. So in column A, systems name are given, organ systems name are given, and here organs are given. So which organ is related to which system, that we have to match. Okay, digestive system, kidneys, small intestine, nerves, windpipe, blood vessels. So digestive system is related to small intestine. Yes, so number 1 is the answer of this question. Okay, respiratory system is related to, yes, it is related to windpipe. Yes, because mouth, windpipe and lungs, these are the organs that are used in respiratory system, or that forms an organ system known as respiratory system, right? Now next is circulatory system. Circulatory system, yes, which organ is related? Blood vessels are related in circulatory system, because heart, blood and blood vessels forms circulatory system. Excretory system, the main organ that is used in excretory system is kidneys. Yes. Next is nervous system. Nerves are used in nervous system. Okay, now next question is, fill in the blanks. The 5 organs that are used by our body as sense organs are known as, yes, eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are very essential 5 sense organs that every human being has. Yes. The dash move the bones by pulling at them. So muscles move the bones by pulling at them, right? Air enters the body through the nose. Yes, air कहाँ से enter होती है हमारी body में? Air enters the body through the nose, right? Now next is the heart. The heart pumps. Yes, of course, heart क्या pump करता है? Heart pumps blood through the body, right? Now next is the dash keep your body clean by throwing out urine. So urine is thrown out from the body with the help of kidneys only. Okay, now here is the question that is asking that which organ is used to sense the following. Okay, the color of an apple. We can see the color of apple with the help of our eyes. Yes, we can see the color of an apple with the help of our eyes. And how can we hear the music on the radio? With the help of our ears, right? And how can we smell the food? Yes, with the help of nose, as nose help us in, yes, in smelling the bad and good smell. The taste of medicine. How do we come to know that this medicine is sweet, this medicine is sour, this medicine is bitter? With the help of tongue only, right? And how can we know the smoothness of clay? By touching it. And how can we touch? When we touch something, we use our skin. Yes, to check the smoothness, roughness, dryness, wetness, etc. Yes, so skin is used in the smoothness of clay, in checking the smoothness of clay, right? So students, these are your exercise, textbook exercise that you need to revise. And now we are going to do our assignment. Okay, so all of you take out your notebook and then we'll do our assignment. Okay, so children, let's start our assignment for today, that is revision 2 of science. Okay, first of all we will write today's date, that is 8th of December 2020. Then we'll write a heading, multiple choice questions, and revision 2 also you have to write on the top. Okay, now the first question for today is an adult human has dash bones in the body. ठीक है, एक अडल्ट ह्यूमन की कितनी बोन्स होती हैं बॉडी में. ओके, सो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन और टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. 208, 206, 210, 205. यस, so 208 is correct, 206, 210 or 205. yes, 206 is correct. yes, क्योंकि एक अडल्ट ह्यूमन में कितनी बोन्स होती हैं? एन अडल्ट ह्यूमन हैज़ 206 बोन्स इन द बॉडी. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन ऑफ आवर बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी का लार्जेस्ट एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन कौन सा? यस, इन येस्टरडेज असाइनमेंट वी हैव रेड अबाउट largest internal organ, that is liver. Now today is the turn to revise largest external organ. So which is our largest external organ? Largest external organ is, yes, legs? No. Hands? No. Skin or hair? So hair is not an organ. Yes, so skin is an organ and it is an external organ. So skin is the largest external organ as it covers the whole body. yes, now next question is the muscles of our body forms. muscles जो होती है हमारी बॉडी का, कौन सा सिस्टम बनाती है, कौन सा ऑर्गन सिस्टम बनाती है? विच ऑर्गन सिस्टम इज मेड up of muscles? yes, skeletal system, nervous system, excretory system or muscular system. So muscles are related to muscular system, so muscular system is the correct answer. yes, now next question is skin throws out excess water and salts in the form of dash. skin से हमारी त्वचा से, हमारी स्किन से एक्सेस वाटर और सॉल्ट्स जो होते हैं वो किस फॉर्म में निकलते हैं? इन द फॉर्म ऑफ यूरिन, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्वेट, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और कफ. yes, it comes out from our body, it throws out through the sweat. yes, पसीने के फॉर्म में हमारी स्किन से एक्सेस वाटर और सॉल्ट जो है बाहर निकलता है. yes, Okay, I hope you have got it. Yes, so an adult human has 206 bones in the body. Largest external organ is our skin. Yes, and the muscles forms our muscular system, and skin throws out excess water and salts in the form of, yes, in the form of sweat. Okay children, got it now? Yes, so kindly do these in your notebook. Now let's continue. Let's move to the next question. Okay, our next question is yes, here, fifth one, organ system responsible for producing young ones. Young ones are babies. Yes, so which organ system is responsible for producing young ones? Like from our grandparents, our parents have come, है ना, हमारे दादा दादी से हमारे मम्मी पापा आए, फिर हमारे मम्मी पापा से कौन आया, हम लोग आए. यस, ऐसे ही इन फ्यूचर वी विल बी हैविंग आवर बेबीज. सो कौन सा ऑर्गन सिस्टम है रिस्पॉन्सिबल इसके लिए? विच ऑर्गन सिस्टम इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग यंग वंस और बेबीज? दैट इज रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, स्केलेटल सिस्टम, नर्वस सिस्टम और एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. Yes, it is reproductive system. Yes, as male or men is having a different reproductive system and female or woman is having a different reproductive system. Okay, and next question is which sense organ tells us the taste of medicine? है ना, कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन है जो हमें हेल्प करता है मेडिसिन का टेस्ट पता करने में, दैट वेदर द मेडिसिन इज स्वीट, सार और हाउ इट इज. यस, सो विच सेंस ऑर्गन टेल्स अस द टेस्ट ऑफ मेडिसिन? यस, नोज, नो. ईयर्स, नो. आइज, नो. टंग, यस, क्योंकि टेस्ट जो है वो हमें कौन बताता है? वो हमें टंग बताती है. यस, आवर टंग टेल्स अस द टेस्ट. यस, द डैश कीप योर ब्लड क्लीन बाय थ्रोइंग आउट यूरिन. है ना, ये क्या करता है? ये जो ऑर्गन है ये हमारे ब्लड को क्लीन करता है हमारी बॉडी से यूरिन को निकालने के बाद में. यस, व्हेन इट थ्रोज आउट यूरिन आवर ब्लड क्लीन. यस, सो व्हाट इज इट? Is it lungs? Is it skin? Is it heart? Or is it kidneys? Yes, think children, think. कौन सा बॉडी ऑर्गन, कौन सा ऑर्गन है, इंटरनल ऑर्गन है ऐसा जो हमारे ब्लड को क्लीन करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है? येस, इज़ इट लंग्स? नो, लंग्स हेल्प अस इन ब्रीदिंग. स्किन? नो, स्किन इज़ एन एक्सटर्नल ऑर्गन. येस, हार्ट? नो, हार्ट्स पम्प्स ब्लड, वो क्लीन नहीं करता, वो पंप करता है ना, क्योंकि हार्ट जो है वो यूरिन के फॉर्म में थोड़ी ना थ्रो करता है हमारी बॉडी से और क्लीन करता है ब्लड को हेल्प करने में. येस, इट प्योरीफाइज बट इट इज़ नॉट हेल्पिंग इन थ्रोइंग आउट ब्लड वेस्ट थिंग्स एज यूरिन. येस, इट इज़ किडनीज. राइट. आवर लास्ट question is dash are a part of nervous system. Out of these organs, which organ is a part of nervous system? Skin is a part of nervous system? No, it's a part of excretory system. Blood vessels? No, it's not a part of nervous system. Yes. Tongue? No, tongue is also not a part of nervous system. Yes. Nerves? Yes, nerves and nervous system are related, so nerves are the correct answer. Yes, nerve is a correct answer. Right, so children, I hope you have got it. Yes, okay, so here for today your assignment is containing 8 questions and you have to do all the questions on your own. Okay, and please write it neatly and prepare for your पोस्ट मिड टर्म एग्ज़ाम्स वेल. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आराम से अपना अच्छे से आप लोग प्रिपरेशन करिए एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ मैथ्स रेगुलरली एंड रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग रेगुलरली. ओके, because I know that online exams will be conducted, so there is no need to write, but whenever the school will reopen, at that time you need to write a lot for doing work and all, so don't forget it, so that it will just break your habit. Yes, so keep practicing and keep learning. Okay, keep practicing maths and keep learning maths, keep practicing grammar also. Okay children, stay home, stay safe. God bless you all.